Talking about dueling visions in Tallahassee this evening over how to tackle rising property ownership costs.
Republicans just filed a bill that would give a property tax rebate to certain homeowners. Meanwhile, Democrats this week, they rolled out a series of proposals that would overhaul property insurance. It includes capping rate increases between 10 and 15%, removing taxes on storm impact doors and windows, and creating an advisory council to analyze data on property and auto insurance. Senate Minority Leader Lori Berman says the goal is to address cost pressures that have made home ownership more difficult for many Floridians.
Affordability is the #1 issue for Floridians, and I speak for everyone here when I say that addressing it is our #1 priority for the upcoming session.
On the other side of the aisle, Republican State Representative Jeff Holcomb filed a bill that would send $1,000 a year to certain homesteaded property owners. That rebate would last 5 years, totaling $5,000 in tax relief.
I think this bill should fly through pretty easily. And you're also not talking about, the other bill I'm talking about, not putting money in our state reserves, giving it back to the people. This is talking about some future possible increases to revenue, just being down by a small amount, really hard to determine the actual amount.
Governor Ron DeSantis first floated this idea of a rebate plan for Florida homeowners earlier this year. Lawmakers are set to take up that proposal and other property tax measures when the legislative session begins in January.